In this video, you'll learn how to complete a task in ClickUp quickly and confidently so your workspace stays organized and up to date. Even though this is a simple action, doing it the right way helps keep your workflows clean, your team aligned, and your reports accurate. Let's start by making sure you're in the right place. First, you'll need to have your ClickUp workspace open and be looking at the list where your task lives. A list in ClickUp is simply a collection of tasks, usually grouped under a specific project, folder, or category. If you're not already there, navigate to the correct space and folder, then open the list that contains the task you want to mark as done. Once your list is visible, take a moment to find the specific task you're ready to complete. You should see a row for each task, typically showing the task name, its status, and other details like assignee or due date, depending on your view settings. Make sure you've identified the correct task, especially if several tasks have similar names. This helps you avoid accidentally completing the wrong item. Now, move your mouse pointer over the task in your list. You don't need to click yet. Just hovering over the task row will reveal some interactive elements around it. This subtle hover action is how ClickUp lets you access quick options without cluttering the view when you're not using them. As you hover over the task, look to the left side of the task name. You'll see a small circle or checkbox appear. This is the main control you'll use to complete the task. It's designed to be simple and familiar, similar to checking off an item on a to-do list. Go ahead and click that circle or checkbox to the left of the task name. When you click it, ClickUp will treat this as your intention to mark the task as finished. Depending on your workspace's configuration, the visual style of the task may change. For example, it might become grayed out, move to a different section, or show a check mark to indicate it's no longer active. After clicking the checkbox, make sure the task's status is set to a completed state. In many setups, clicking the checkbox will automatically switch the task to a complete status, but in some workflows, you might have multiple custom statuses like in progress, review, or done. In those cases, you may see a status field or a drop-down that you can adjust. Choose the complete status for that task. This is usually labeled something like complete, done, or another term your team uses to represent a finished item. Selecting the appropriate complete status ensures that reports, dashboards, and any automation you have set up in ClickUp will correctly recognize that this work is finished. Once you've chosen the complete status, take a quick look to confirm everything looks right. The task should now clearly appear as completed in your list. If you made a mistake, you can always change the status back, but if everything looks good, you're done. That's all it takes. By hovering over the task, clicking the checkbox to the left of the task name, and making sure the complete status is selected, you keep your ClickUp workspace accurate and your task list clean and manageable.